morning, people. We up bright and early. As you can see, my favorite word, as you can see, yeah? I need to stop saying that because it's annoying me. We're down here today. We're gonna start this, attack this EG, and I got them little blue bits to go on the GS in the background over there. So we're just gonna smash that out, get that done, and then we can actually get on to the fun. The fun bit is gonna be this. This car hasn't been touched and I've been waiting to touch it for time. As you can see, I'm absolutely happy. So yeah, we're just gonna get on with that, crack on with that, and smash out the day, yeah? So let's have fun. First job of the day, let's get these out of here and clipped onto the GS so that that car's all back together and whole, and I don't have to have this taking up my shop. So let's just do that quickly and get that done and smashed out, then we can get on with what we want to do.
Optics, you ballin', boy.
Right, one clean garage. Now we can get on with all the other jobs that we're meant to be getting on with, yeah? So, first thing to do on the list is empty this, because she's full of parts. We need to get them all laid out on the floor so we know what we've got there, what we ain't got there, and just start organizing everything so that we know where we're going with this build right now. So yeah, let me start that and get that all done and out of the way. Yeah, so janky as hell, but it got us across to the garage where we wanted to get to. The windscreen wasn't bonded in, so we just had to throw some tape on it and keep it moving. Car needed to be on a trainer and over here, so that's what we done. Let's get all this tape off. Yeah, it was wet as well, it was raining. As you've seen, hence why the tape is all nasty. It's cool. So yeah, basically, let me all just give you a rundown of what this car is and how it's got to this point and how we're here now. So, originally, when I was with Built JDM, me and Sean, I bought this car off Sean. And it was just a standard D series, I think it's an ESI, yeah. It was automatic, so it was nice. It was just red, he'd done some stuff to it, you know what I mean? It just had a few little bits on it, and he was selling it. So I bought the car when we both opened, well, he already had the garage open, but I joined him over in Harlow. And so we were there, I took this off the road, went and bought an engine for it, the one that you've seen me stripping, yeah? And basically, I gutted it. I done loads of stuff to the engine bay. I'll show you all later, yeah? Welded up loads of stuff. And then I converted the rear end to 4-wheel drive, because the plan was, this was gonna be out many summers ago. But work, life, loads of other things got in the way, and we never got there. So fast forward to now, I'm gonna throw in a lot of clips and pictures and things of what I've actually done to this car, just so you can get an idea of what you've missed, yeah? And then once this is all stripped, we're gonna take it from there and just blitz through this. and you're gonna see some progress. Yeah, so this gives you an idea of just how long ago this was. So this this was before we even had built JDM together. This was when Sean was called HD Finishes. So this is how long and how time consuming life has been, yeah? And this car has just been sat. So yeah, let the fun begin, yeah?
Optics, you ballin', boy.
I've gone and bought a new drainage pan, because when I was moving garages, I'm looking everywhere for this bloody thing, yeah? It's only in the back of the flipping EG. It's alright, we've got two now, innit? Jeez. More brand new carbon, a little bit dusty, but carbon spoiler. That's gonna be going with the carbon roof and the carbon front end. Carbon trunk. We got spoon, racing, carbon mirrors with carbon base plates, more carbon. This is what happens when you've had to move units many times and you don't want to lose parts. You put them all in the car and you just leave them there so that when you come to catalogue everything now, you know that they're all still in the car.
Optics, you ballin', boy.
Obviously, this is just a quick initial clean, yeah? I'm just getting everything that was in the car out of the car. It will be getting way more thoroughly clean than this, because I'm gonna be painting all inside here, stripping all the carpets out, taking all the sound dead in it. So it's gonna look nice in here, you know? Everything's gonna be carbon again, so yeah. But as for now, just so I can work on the car and I'm not working in complete and utter grime and nastiness, like, yeah, it's just getting a quick initial clean now, and then, yeah, we'll take it from there. So, that's everything out of the car. Quick little clean up. But yeah, she's empty. Everything has been stored and catalogued. I'll show you that in a sec. Right, success. Didn't make too much bad timing on that, yeah? We cleaned the entire car out. We've catalogued and stored everything properly now, so it's no longer all just in the car, and that's all done. So we're gonna crack on with the rest of the day. Let me just give you a little tour and show you everything that I've done with all the stuff, yeah? As you can see, that's the inside of the car empty. That's all the interior stuff. That's all the fuses, electronics and wiring. Body panels, bumpers, trim pieces, scuttle panels. That is a Freelander prop shaft and a CRV prop shaft. We're only going to be using this Freelander one. The CRV one, I don't even know where I got it. So it just is what it is. Headlights, window wipers, anti-roll bar, yeah. We'll pan over here. This is all the engine stuff for this car. It's the gearbox stuff for this car. That's the engine, or the block, yeah. But everything that was in there is now stored, look. I've got all the storage over here. That's all catalogue stored, all the nuts and bolts, all the wiring. That is a clutch conversion kit because this car was a automatic, and there's some aftermarket parts from Speed Factory and a few other companies. All stuff that's got to go in the car. So yeah, much better. Yeah, it's no longer all in the car. Car is now empty, and we're able to do some work in there, sort all this out, and yeah, man. So, quick explanation for everyone, yeah? This car is a sunroof car, and this is the original sunroof, believe it or not. The reason why you can't see the sunroof is because we smoothed it over, and it was smoothed over because we wanted to take a mold of this roof. We did, and I'll try and get some videos of Sean to show you what happened there. But we made a mold. We still have the molds. Maybe we will revisit that. There you go. I got it out in the end. Maybe we will revisit that, and you can see what happened, because we tried to make a carbon roof for this, and yeah, the first one, it didn't fail completely, but it wasn't perfect. So maybe we'll try that again in the future. But for now, I'm just going to cut this roof off, and I'm going to put an actual carbon roof on that I'm going to buy and just replace it with that. But yeah, this was a sunroof. If you look up there, you can still see the sunroof is still attached and in the car. That will be coming out. I got another headliner for this car that doesn't have the sunroof hole in it. But yeah, just proof that this did have a sunroof in it, even though it doesn't look like it did have a sunroof in it. Yeah? Sean's probably gonna hate me for cutting this roof off. The amount of work he put in on it to make it nice and smooth, but weight saving. Right. As you can see, very, very dusty, but completely smoothed. Smoothed the entire bay, modified the strut tops so that the car can go a bit lower and we don't have any clearance issues. But yeah, a lot of work's gone into this engine bay already. She just needs a lick of paint, and yeah, dash the engine in. A few little bits need doing, but yeah, she's good to go. Right, so next on the to-do list, we need to get the carbon front end completely taken off the car. We need to get the bumpers taken off the car. We need to take the windscreen off the car. We need to take the trunk off the car and the bottom part of the trunk off the car, so that it's all stripped and we haven't got any of these things on the car anymore. We'll put them over there, store them, and then, yeah. That's what we need to do.
Optics, you ballin', boy.
stripped off. So the carbon bits off the car. As you can see, we made some real good progress today. That's pretty much everything that I need to get stripped off the car at the moment, stripped off the car. Obviously there's a load more that's gonna come off, but yeah, once I start getting it up in the air, I'm gonna take all the underside of the car off, all the four-wheel drive system, everything's coming back off the car. I'm gonna put the car on a rotisserie and flip it over so that I can see the underside of the car, and I'm gonna redo the underside of the car because I was given bad advice. Why? Again, look, every time I try and speak to you, aeroplanes, fucking aeroplanes. Ugh, does my nutting around here, man. It's like one every 2 minutes or something. But anyway, like I was saying, I'm gonna strip the underside of the car off completely and redo it again. I'm gonna recoat it because I was given some bad advice and I put some Raptor seal on the underside of the car, and I don't think that's gonna be good enough protection for rust, corrosion, them sort of things. So we are going to clean the underside of the car off completely, and we're gonna put epoxy mastic on, and we'll probably paint it and do the underside of the car completely again. So that will be fun. You gotta love it when you're filming, you're just getting ready to leave and go home, and then you drop your phone on the floor and smash the entire front screen. So now I've got to go and get the screen fixed so I can continue doing my filming and my vlogging and sorting all these videos out for you lot. But yeah, let's go and do that now quickly before we can go home.